Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are bringing you something so exciting and I hope you love it too. We picked up one of these grab bags from Michael's and we are going to unbag it and have like a challenge to make something with the stuff inside here. Now I have no idea what's in here and we're gonna open it together. So if you like this kind of video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And also if you're new, I hope you would consider subscribing. All right, here we go.
Ooh, I'm excited.
I am so excited to find out what's in here.
We've never gotten one of these before.
First time grab bag buyer.
Yeah. And if this works out, we will be a repeat grab bag buyer.
I know that there's some stems in here, so.
Yes, which is why we picked it out, because we thought there'd be stems and we think there's some ornaments in here. Do I need to come around?
I could potentially have ugly ornaments for next year.
That's true.
Ooh.
Oh.
Can you see? I can't even see it there.
Oh, I
Sneak peek
see.
for you guys.
I see things I think you're gonna be happy about.
Let's see. I wonder if I can undo this.
So I think I'm the one who actually picked out the bag.
Yes, I think you did.
I really had a
good.
I had a good feeling about this one.
Here we go.
Ooh.
Oh.
Okay. All right.
Oh.
Look at that. Are you excited?
I am beyond
Oh,
thrilled.
look.
This is totally my style, guys. I may not want to do anything with this.
Well, let's see. There might be some good stuff in here for DIYing. Oh my gosh.
Look. 3 of the
Look.
picks.
Didn't you buy these?
I have something similar to this.
Okay.
I'm not sure if
These are normally
exact.
$4 a piece.
Oh,
These ones.
My
Oh,
gosh.
yes.
Wow, those would be pretty for Valentine's.
Oh, ooh, perfect. Because guess what's coming up?
Stay out, yeah.
We are gonna do something with these.
Oh, look.
What? Oh my gosh, they kind of look like feathers.
They are regularly $10.
Oh yeah, did we mention we got this whole bag for $4?
For $4.
Yeah. Oh, what else? Ooh, some poinsettias.
These are beautiful.
Those are beautiful.
Ooh, I may have to go get another grab bag.
Right?
Look at
Oh my gosh, those. Guys, look how beautiful. Oh, I love the iridescent. Hi. I love the iridescent ones. Here,
then
I'm gonna move this out of the way.
Just come open a little bit. But I would totally buy these. Like,
I think we've looked at these to
every
buy.
bit, everything here goes with my decor. Look,
Oh my
that
gosh, this was worth $30. Which that would have been $4 we would have been happy with.
Yes. I got all this. Holy cow.
So pretty. And there's still more.
Yes, I am. Oh, how cute. Okay. Okay.
Ooh.
That's making a mess.
Yes it is, but it's beautiful.
That was $18.
What?
We should add up what everything was.
Oh, we will. That's a great idea. Or run to your Michael's if they have grab bags, guys.
Look. Oh my gosh, how
Oh my
cute
gosh.
are these? I
Those
don't
are
remember
great.
seeing these.
I don't either.
Even
wow.
the sticks alone are pretty.
I know.
All right, that is it.
Is that it? We got to the end.
Oh my gosh, I am so excited.
So I guess we'll take a break and we'll come back with a total of how much this would have been.
That works. Okay guys, are you ready for this? The grand total for all of this retail was $182.
What?
We spent $4.
That's crazy.
Run to your Michael's.
Yes.
Grab a grab bag.
Well, just look. Look at everything. Like it stacks. So yeah, all right. So I guess now we just need to decide what we are DIYing.
I believe I'm going to use this bunch for a DIY Valentine project.
Yay. All right. So
Stay tuned.
yeah.
Alright guys, I have gone like back and forth trying to figure out what I wanted to do with this bunch of flowers. I did not want to use anything else from the box because I love everything in that form and I definitely want to use it next year for Christmas. So these were the winner and then I wanted to challenge myself to use what I currently had. which I had one of these. I had a candlestick just from Hobby Lobby in the woodcraft aisle, and same with this little wood heart. And of course it's around Valentine's Day, so I'm going to make a little Valentine tree. So bear with me because I don't even know if I have enough flowers, and we're just gonna wing it.
I just need you by my side.
So to make it a little nicer, I'm going to stain these wood pieces that I have in this stain right here, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Gloves first. I think I'm just gonna use one. This can has definitely seen better days.
Yes, you've used quite a bit of
I
that.
have, and I don't really need much. I might even be able to get by with what is on the lid.
Oh yeah, because
So-
it's such a small piece.
Yeah. And yeah, there I go I should have got 2 gloves.
Oh,
Live and
yep.
learn, right? And I'm just rubbing on the stain. It does not have to be perfect because I really like that rustic look anyway.
Yeah, you do.
I do, I love it.
And we have a whole video on staining basics that I can link in the cards. So if you are curious about more in depth of what she's doing, go watch it. It's a quick video.
Yeah. Yeah, it's cute, right?
Yeah.
There's the heart. And let's do the candlestick. I don't need to do like up and around there because I'm actually going to sit the cone on top.
Ah, the master plan.
Yes. We just want a little bit of color.
Yes. Yeah, we don't want naked wood.
Oh,
Gotta dress it up a little
yeah,
bit.
it is pretty though. I mean, that is
Yeah.
a nice color, and I have things this color in my house, but I really like that stain look. I think maybe I need a little bit more.
A little bit
red.
more, yeah.
I'm gonna dip it in here.
We're getting all nice and personal today.
Yeah. And really, you don't even need to go 100% on it unless you want to. It's all about what your style is and what you like. And you could even change up your stain color. You don't have to even go dark like this either, so.
Well, hopefully this looks okay.
I'm gonna use my fingernail and kind of push in the grooves a little bit. You see it's starting to take shape. All right, I think that will be good. Just wipe off the extra. And there you go.
Cute. All right, now what?
Now, I'm debating on if I should glue that first or if I should start adding my flowers first. I know.
Maybe add the flowers?
Yeah, it might be easier like to hold on to.
Yeah, we'll find out.
Yeah, so push all that aside. I don't need that anymore. Really don't need my bag. You can tell where I like to shop.
Yeah. No way.
Okay, I also have some wire cutters out here, and I think I'm going to separate each one of these to see if they'll go a little further.
Okay.
So I'm going to pull one off and show you. You've got this one big piece, then you've got all these little pieces, and then in that you have all of these little pieces.
Okay.
So I'm kind of hoping that these will hold together and I can just cut these little pieces off.
Just like that. Is that, so this is what we're going after?
Yes.
Gotcha.
And I'm hoping I have enough to cover my cone.
Yes. Well, I'm going to set this camera up and we are just going to time lapse this.
Perfect. So that took me a whole lot longer than I expected, and I don't really have that much left. So this worked out really good, and I'm really loving how that turned out. So I think the next step is I'm going to hot glue my little candle holder onto the bottom there, just like that. All right, so I'm gonna pick like the best side and then put my heart in facing that way. I'm thinking right like there, facing me. So I'm just gonna kind of hot glue that into place. All right, and I can see that styrofoam right there, so I'm just gonna hot glue these petals like over like that to kind of hide that. This turned out so cute, guys. I ended up doing a little tiny buffalo check bow right at the base of the heart because that will match a lot of my other decor. And I am loving this. So I'm gonna go decorate it now. So what do you guys think? Isn't this so much fun? You should definitely check out Michael's, and if they have any of those grab bags, you're gonna want one. It was $4, and that is a really good bargain. So if you guys like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up, and also if you are new, I hope you would consider subscribing. You guys go and have a great day, and happy crafting.